In one word, can you describe what innovation means to you?
Better life tomorrow.
One word, improvement.
Controlling disease.
Progress.
Hope for people everywhere in the world.
Development.
Innovation.
Access.
Progress.
Productive reality.
Value.
Making difference.
Progress.
Magic.
In 20 years, I think we will have, and I hope we will have, more focused and personalized treatment for all these unmet needs, but also for improving the current treatment.
In 20 years, we will have learned to work better together, because the more we pool our resources, learn from each other, the better we can deliver on innovation.
I think in 20 years I would like to see going beyond focus on products, focus on diseases, to focus on patients.
What I've learned so far from this IFPMA assembly is that the challenges we face are very complex, and to solve those challenges we're going to need to find new ways, new innovative ways to work together.
What was very interesting for us is to see that innovation cannot be led by one group, but that should be a collaborative effort.
The importance of partnership in improving access to innovation for communities globally.
I think for me the Assembly has shown that there's far more collaboration and far more willingness to put competitive urges aside to work together on achieving an end goal, which is better global healthcare.
What's very important is partnership, and here we talk about innovation. It's to be innovative partnership in new solutions to work together to tackle the global health issues.
That we have a lot of work to do.
What I have learned is the various ways of fostering innovation in the world.
I have learned and something, or confirmed something very important, that innovation is so complex nowadays that we need a partnership.
Innovation is part of a whole ecosystem, education, political will in particular, and of course implementers.